If you love DIY, then you'll be amazed by these fun carpenter facts. Stick around. Did you know carpenters were some of the first folks to use nails over 5,000 years ago? Yeah, that's older than the pyramids. And get this, the wood we use today could come from trees that sprouted during Shakespeare's time. Talk about classic material. Plus, the term carpenter comes from the Latin word carpenterius, which means maker of a carriage. So, next time you pick up a hammer, remember, you're part of an ancient tradition. Keep crafting and stay creative. And again, subscribing is free and easy, folks. Thanks.